Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly add sunlight to your photos in Lightroom.
First, go to your photo in Lightroom and proceed to the usual way of how you edit your photo. Once you're done, go to the brush tool right here on the right. On Effect, select Dodge, then slide the temperature to the right to make it warmer. On your image, brush over the area where you want the sunlight to appear. Now, since we're talking about sunlight, make sure to brush on where the sun should naturally be, which is the sky. If we brush on, in this case, this building, it wouldn't make sense and that effect would look forced, therefore ruining the photo. So let me undo that by pressing Ctrl Z. If you want to tweak the effect, just click on the circle placed on where you've brushed on. Then from there, play around with the different settings, the exposure, temperature, highlights, and everything until you get the look that you want. And once you're done, just click Done, and you're done.
Here's a before and after comparison. Now let's try using this technique on other photos. And that's it. Wait, that's it? After adding the effect, you're just going to save the photo and just leave it on your hard drive? Well, I can upload it on my Instagram. Follow me. That's it. Well, what else do you want me to do? Dude, your website. Ooh, yeah. So by the way, if you want to upload your work somewhere else other than social media, like me, create a website. I personally use Portfoliobox and I've been using it ever since I started building my portfolio. It's very easy to use and it makes your portfolio look professional. If you want to create a cool looking website, whether it's for photography or design or any type of art, let me help you out with a discount. Use this code right here and get 50% off on all plans in Portfoliobox. Thanks, Portfoliobox! And that's it for the video. Don't forget to hit like if you like and comment down below if you have any questions or maybe some suggestions. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.